Thank you so much for clicking to my video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, like you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a video on how to do your eyebrows, especially for those that do not have a lot of hair, how to do it from scratch and to look like this. Stay tuned. First and foremost, to start by marking on how you want to shape your eyebrows. For today, I'm going to be doing this shape. So I will start by marking my brows of how I want to outline my eyebrows. So I have done 5 points to be my guide, and then I'll do the same on the other side. So from there we go on and join. We join from the first point to this one to this one. Like that. We are going to join the top to this one. Like that. This part, I'm going to join it again to the last one. Like that. Great. Now that we have a kind of an outline, we are going to start filling in, and start by filling in from this point. After we fill in like that, we just now fill in the rest. After doing that, we now kind of have almost what we want. It is now time to do the outline. To be using Pro Conceal. I am using the darker shade, the chocolate shade, and the cool tan shade. I'm going to be using the cool tan shade on my lower brow, and then on the darker part, and then the dark chocolate, I'm going to be using it on the upper part. And then what you're going to be you're going to need this edge brush. I love it because it helps you be able to curve your eyebrows properly. So you just take a small amount and you spread it on your brush like that. Having done that, now we go. I am just using the same brush. I am going in now with the dark chocolate, and I want to go on the upper part. Some people prefer to use their foundation. I think you can just use what suits you, right? So I'm going to use my dark chocolate. Like that. Having done that, now we go in and start blending. After this, the last bonus I'm gonna give you is I want to make them a bit firm, so I go in with my soap, my gel brush, a bar soap, the one you use to shower or to do your laundry. I'm going to wet it a little bit with water, and then I'll take my gel brush and do like this, and then go in on the eyebrow. Just comb it the way you've drawn it to makes it dry and gives it a 24-hour stay. And there you have it, guys. This is a final look. I hope you loved it, and if you liked the video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.